Introducing the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro, the revolutionary smart countertop appliance that's changing the way we cook. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or slow cooking, this high-tech device combines versatility, convenience, and precision to deliver exceptional meals every time. Priced at $499.95, it's a premium option, but its features could make it the only countertop appliance you'll ever need. At first glance, the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro boasts a sleek, brushed stainless steel design, but it's also available in a black stainless steel finish for those who prefer a modern look. Measuring 21.5 by 17.3 by 12.8 inches and weighing 23 pounds, it's substantial yet manageable for most countertops. The oven comes with a variety of accessories, including a non-stick pizza pan, wire racks, roasting pan, and an air fry basket, giving you the tools to tackle any recipe. This smart oven features 13 cooking modes, ranging from air fry and bake to slow cook and dehydrate. What truly sets it apart, though, is its integration with the Joule app. This app provides step-by-step recipes designed to simplify cooking while utilizing the oven's advanced features like autopilot, which automatically adjusts settings mid-recipe. Want to prepare croissants? The oven can proof and bake them in one seamless process, with no guesswork. For tech-savvy cooks, the Joule oven also integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can use voice commands to preheat the oven or set timers, though most users may prefer the manual controls, which include a clear LCD display and intuitive dials. Performance-wise, the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro excels in cooking a variety of dishes. It delivers evenly toasted bread, perfectly golden air-fried French fries, and moist yet crisp roasted chicken. During our tests, we found the app particularly helpful with complex recipes like leveled-up chicken wings. The app not only guided us through the steps, but also adjusted settings and gave tips to ensure a flawless finish. Cleaning the oven is relatively easy, though its accessories are not dishwasher safe and must be hand-washed. During operation, the oven's top surface and glass door can become hot to the touch, so caution is needed, especially in households with kids. Despite its higher price tag, the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro stands out for its versatility and smart features. It's perfect for busy home cooks, tech enthusiasts, and anyone looking to elevate their kitchen game. If you don't need the advanced app or voice assistant features, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro offers similar capabilities at a lower price. Whether you're an experienced chef or a beginner, the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro simplifies cooking without sacrificing quality. From air-fried snacks to full-course meals, this device truly does it all. Thanks for tuning. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated.